This is the Amazon Echo sub conversion. There's the old one, the body, all of the guts taken out in here. All of the control is now in here. There's a few extra components in there, connected into a sub. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
Alexa, volume 4. Connected to the high level input. I can control the gain. I need to find a better solution for the button there. But other than that, all is well. Thinking about offering this as a service, let me know.